Hi guys, welcome to another video of Kaitlyn's Kitchen House. Today we're brought by these enormous Korean snacks. Today we'll be eating
sriracha peas, onion rings, and shrimp crackers.
So these are all Korean snacks you can find at your Korean local market. So first let's dig in. First we're going to dig in the onion rings. They're like onion rings but like a snack onion ring.
They're my favorite.
So they look like these. Smell like onion.
Yeah.
I'm not a big
Smell
fan.
Smell it. Oh, that's nice. Let's try to taste that. So good.
It's like a crunchy snack. It tastes kind of like an onion, but I like better because I don't like onions either.
One more.
Okay, our next snack we'll be trying are the shrimp crackers. They're like made out of shrimp, but they're like little crackers. They look like these. They're shrimpy. Yeah. Okay. Last but not least, we have our sriracha peas.
Too hot. Oh.
These are spicy, so if you don't like spicy food, I wouldn't try it. We could try. They're chili garlic coated green peas. They're inside. These are the inside.
I want to taste one, but they're just too spicy for me.
These.
That's too spicy for me.
Oh, that's spicy.
Blah, 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 blah. I got water. Water. Oh, God.
Shh. Okay. So, these are all our snacks. These two are non-spicy. These are spicy. These are the same brand as wasabi peas. Just if you know what those are, it's wasabi or green little peas that crunch like these. Here you go. There's this one store called Lotte Plaza where you can find some Korean snacks like these. You find more. Okay.
See you later. Bye-bye.